Hey all, this is Glen again at Metro Hobbies at Box Hill. I'm going to give you a look at some of my latest projects that I've been working on here and at home. This one here is the brand new Tamiya 1/48 scale F4B Phantom, which is an absolutely fantastic kit. This one came from Tamiya directly to me, so this one is the white box edition. It doesn't have any decals or any painting instructions, so it's going to be a little bit inaccurate, but it is an absolutely gem of a kit. It is probably the best 48 scale aircraft kit that Tamiya has come up with in the last 10 or so years, and it's just absolutely magnificent. There's not a lot left in the box, but it will get there eventually. It is a magnificent piece of work. There's relatively less parts than I thought it was going to be in this kit, but it goes together so well that you will not have a problem. Believe me, this is a magical kit to put together. It has only a couple movable parts. One is the rear stabilizers, which go up and down, as you can see there. And of course, the injection seats can come out, which you can display outward. They are quite super detailed and are quite amazingly beautifully presented. But it's out now on the shelves. If you want to grab one, I would highly recommend it. It is an absolutely beautiful model to put together. Secondly, which I've been working on, is Tamiya's fantastic 38T, Panzer Kampfwagen 38T, which is a German tank used throughout the World War II. This is the EF variant. It is an absolutely beautiful model too. If you're into armor, this is the one to go for. It's a great little kit. And I'll quickly just show you what I've got here. It's about 70% complete. It goes together really, like I said, it goes together really well. The only issue with this kit is the decals being a little too thick, but if you use Tamiya's fantastic decal setting solution, it will help to make the decals sink into the actual kit itself, so they won't look so thick. But the kit is absolutely beautiful and worth it. It is actually one of my favorite tanks. It is actually not even a German tank, it's actually a Czechoslovakian tank, and the Germans converted it to a German tank early in the war. So this is a great kit to build, let me tell you, it's beautiful. The other one I've been working on too is Tamiya's recently released Marder I, which is their Panzer, Marder I. This was also a French tank converted to a German a Marder version, okay? Again, this kit is really easy to put together. It is going to be painted in, I believe, the Normandy color scheme, which was used in France. Yes, Normandy, September 1944. And it is an absolutely beautiful model. Again, it goes together really well. It doesn't have a lot of parts as I thought it would have, and it's a great tank. This kit has link and length track links. I think it does. It does. Yes, link and length track links, which means that the actual tracks are half made up for you. So it's going to be a lot quicker to put together. And other than that, it's a beautiful model. Also, I've been working on is Tamiya's beautiful US Tank Destroy M10. This is the mid-production kit, and it came out in, I believe, when this one came out in 2016. So it's a few years old. But it's probably the best one on the market. I know I'm a bit of a Tamiya fan. The kits are fabulous. This one here, which is, I've gotten as far as the upper hull, lower hull, and the turret. The tracks, which are one piece. Again, these are the vinyl type tracks, which are really well done. They're quite beautiful. There's no need to buy aftermarket tracks for this kit. It's got nice tracks as they are. Okay, the wheels or the running gear haven't yet to be assembled, but everything else is in this kit, and it's really nice. It's a beautiful model in its own right. If you're into US armor, may it be Sherman's or along that kind of chassis, this kit is relatively excellent model to build. Finally, I've been building this Amusing Hobby 1/48 scale. I think it's pronounced as Weserflug, which is a World War II German vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, which Max reviewed a week or so ago. It is a lovely kit. I think Max is doing his as a captured version. I'm doing mine as what's on the box. Now, this kit is absolutely a little gem. It's quite small. If you compare it to, say, a British Spitfire, they're practically almost the same size. Even though the box art shows it looking quite large, it is quite a small aircraft. In my version, though, I've added seat belts and I've made mine more a later version. So this one here will be sort of, well, 1946, 1947, if the war had progressed on. This kit will have that late camouflage of using RLM 81, say RLM 80, which would be the green and sort of browny colors, similar to what's on the box. But I'm going to use aftermarket decals because I believe they would be better quality. And other than that, this kit is really good. So in the forthcoming weeks, you're going to see my kits obviously go through building stages. And finally, you'll see me advertise these kits at Model Expo, which will be up and running in October, I believe, if it all goes ahead. So until then, take care and I'll see you soon.